Welcome everyone, welcome back to the New York session officially. Well, it started already, of course, the kill zone. Tamimi, good morning again. So, it has started, yes. We're in the kill zone since 1 hour and 15 minutes. Now, let's see what happened here. It seems like we're heading for a previous day high. Actually, today's London high. Well, not so much London high, but still making a new high. Dark Cloud, hey there. I had a nap. No, I didn't. I wish I would. How's it going, guys? What's up? I wish I would have a nap. Yeah, I know. But the kill zone is from 7 a.m. That's what I meant. But we're about to open, get the comics open and the futures. So, and the stock exchange, of course, is still a little bit away, but getting there slowly. And hopefully we will get some positions slowly edging higher, both ES and Nasdaq. If I look at the 1 hour, I still can see this one pumping higher. My problem is I don't like these wicks. I mean, wicks all around the place. No clear movement, and that's actually a little, well, confusing. But anyway. Let's see what is happening. ES should be pushing higher, so, but if I look at the 5-minute, there's no area for liquidity, only to the upside, and well, pretty much took everything down there, but can still go. 27. The high was at 47. It's just, we have to wait. Nothing to do. Waiting for that open. Sometimes I take the wicks off. They confuse. Yeah, definitely. I mean, the bodies tell the story, of course. How's the construction? It's raining right now. It's pretty much raining, so they're not really working at the moment, but it's going. I think I have to do an update for you guys about that too. But it's going. It is going. All right. I wonder if we are going to have some kind of a push to that 47. New hair, yeah, had to cut it. It was a little bit long, so I told the guy, hey, you know what, I don't want to be here every week, just do something. So I think he went a little bit too far, but anyway, it's cool, you know. Now my head looks like a ball, actually, or an egg, maybe, I don't know. But it's better. At least I don't have to go every week. Let's see. Prodigy style. I might do that. Look at this one, it's pushing. Keeps pushing. Mario, good morning. Good morning, good morning. I'm here. I'm still that guy. I know my hair is different, but I can't help it. The only thing I can do is maybe I can wear a baseball cap. But I had to do something about the hair. Ah, looks nice. Yeah. Anyway. I look younger, at least 10 years. And if I'm not going to use an HD cam, I can definitely say that. Yeah, I can definitely deny at least 10 years. That's for sure. I'm a little bit impatient today about the market because I was really hoping for some good moves. I didn't enter anything. I did not enter anything after the stream. So I'm still in a little bit of a drawdown, but I thought that we're going to see some real nice moves from 7 a.m., but nothing. Man. Straight from Street Fighter. I think I'm going to have to wear a baseball cap from now on. Your hair looks just fine. That's my style now. I wake up with good hair days now. Mine is on top and number. Mine is on top and 1 on this. Oh, okay. Mine is 5 on the top. I didn't see the 5. 5 on top and 1 on the side. All right. So I guess I can go to the military again. The hairstyle like this. So yeah, I have to get a baseball cap, guys. No other way around it. Now let's see this one go and take the high again. I think it wants to. ES wants to go back into the highs. I don't know. What do you guys think? 34, 45. Are we gonna go up there? I wonder. Is it gonna go and try to take the 45 level? Is that 45? I think it was. No, 47 the high is. Yeah. The high is 47. So I wonder. And I wonder. Comics are open, so futures are gonna be open soon. Let's see what's happening. Is this a push or is it not? Nobody knows. If it wants to break those highs, ES is pushing still. So I don't know. I don't know. Guys, let's wait. Maybe ES will try to do one push. If it goes higher, we could see something, I don't know. Or maybe nothing at all. Maybe it's just going to reverse. No fade next time. Yeah. Let's see. I'm watching closely what's happening here, but I cannot really see anything. Maybe in 5 minutes we'll see some direction. ES tried to do one push, maybe we'll try once more if they want to push it to that gap. Not sure. The problem is I'm down $130 today with those losses from earlier, and I still don't know how to manage the rest of the trades that's coming. Hey, no, how's it going? By the way, if you guys haven't entered already, check out the giveaway. It's in the pinned message. Click on the link. It's a new application. It's something new I'm trying. There are some online applications for giveaways like this. If you fill in your name, email, you can enter the giveaway, and also you can gain some points by completing some tasks, visiting the website, subscribing to the channel, retweeting my MyFundedFutures tweet, stuff like that, answer questions. So you collect those points, you have a higher chance when we're picking the winner. You get more points. But we're gonna try to do this once every week, all right? So make sure to grab your seat. Well, grab your subscribe to the link, and grab your entries. 50K account. I'm not sure which account. I know the question is at which prop firm. I don't know. Could be MyFundedFutures, could be Apex, maybe TOPSTEP, maybe BULENOX. But if BULENOX, maybe then there's going to be 2 BULENOX accounts, and with MyFundedFutures. So one of these 4 proppers. Maybe I'm going to do 2. Maybe there's going to be 2 winners. For now, it's only set for 1 winner, but we can choose 2. It's not a big deal. So I'll see how it goes. All right. So don't miss it. We're going to try to do giveaways on a regular basis. All right. Okay. What is happening? Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Stuck here. Let's see. The London session. Good morning, CryptoPanda. The London session was, for me, it was a little bit disappointing. I mean, let me show you. This London session was absolutely terrible. So I made one mistake. Actually, I had 2 losses in the London session. But the one mistake I made was I tried to go for a scalp before the kill zone started. I was already at my computer, and I saw this one moving sharply higher. It was after 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I entered right at the top, right here. So then it went against me, and so I closed the trade manually. And what do you know? After I closed it, it went to the original level that I was anticipating that we should be taking out the Asia highs, but unfortunately it went. I mean, I closed it manually here. So that was one loss. And the second loss I had was in this area. It took along here. I was targeting the 4-hour fair value gap up there. Well, you guys don't see it. So there's a 4-hour fair value gap. So I thought that we could be pushing higher, but instead, unfortunately, it took me out. So, and it was after the London Open. So London Open, sharp push, retracing, took the trade, and boom. So I'm a little bit down, but, and the rest of the London session was absolutely terrible. Look at this. It's like a nightmare. So I shut down the stream somewhere here. I don't even know. You have been streaming earlier and more often. Well, I'm streaming and I'm trying to be here more often because honestly, because of the money. That's all. I'm doing this to make a living, guys. That's it. I'm sorry to say that. Sorry to disappoint everyone, but I just received my first revenue check from YouTube to my account, and it's not a huge money. It was how much I received. I received about, it's in forints, Hungarian forints, but it was like $130, 130 or $140. My first payout from YouTube, $140. So not a huge payout, I know, but hey, I want to do this full time. That's why I'm here. So that's why I always say, if you can push the like button, subscribe to the channel, support the stream. I know this is nothing yet for a month, but hey, these small little things come together and keep me on track. All right. So anyway, futures opened. Let's see what it does. It seems like we're going again for the highs, which was at 47. It happens to me. You just gotta trust. Yeah. How's the daily NQ? The daily NQ, we can check that for a brief second. Oh, yeah, we had some news. We had, what did we had? Core durable goods, nothing special. So the daily, we have a beautiful fair value gap here above 980. Hold on, 988. Nice fair value gap. I can imagine that we are continuing to push higher. Why? Because if we look at the 4 hour, there's also a fair value gap at 981, and also the next gap is at 800. No, the high is at 96, 796. So I can easily imagine that we are going for this 4 hour fair value gap. We're pretty much bullish everything. So do you know for sure when the New York AM kill zone start in the futures market? The kill zone officially starts at 7 a.m. The New York kill zone, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The silver bullet hour is from 10 a.m. to 11. But you will find a lot of videos on YouTube, a lot of videos about the kill zones. Some saying differently, I understand, but now look at this move. I think we could target the 96. How about that, guys? I'm eyeballing that 96 level, 796. If ES is willing to push it, then I'm gonna go with that. We have order blocks to the left on ES, so if this candle would leave a fair value gap here, I might going to take a long position. I know you guys think, why am I taking long? Because we're in premium. I know that, I'm aware of that. I might be taking a long position if we're gonna leave with a fair value gap. So I'm still waiting, but it seems like it's repricing that gap right now. All right, I put a limit order into the gap. My limit order is at, okay, I just got filled at 49.75, small position. I want to go higher with this one, and I might going to keep it tight. And my target would be, hold on a second, and I'm going to explain why I'm doing such a crazy thing. 92, yeah, 95. So my target would be at 95. Okay. Target is at 95. I was hoping for a liquidity run to the 4-hour gap on the higher time frames. Let me check it. Yeah, the kill zone. No, it's well, the kill zone is basically where the most of the volume is happening. Oh my god, it's going against me already. A little bit dangerous. Maybe I should be only trading on my other account, but anyway, I'm gonna go with this for now. How unfortunate. I was hoping for that liquidity run to go higher into the 800s, but instead it's going against me. Let me show you. There. This is the trade. Almost out. Dang it. Dang it, dang it. Feels bad. Feels bad. But what can I do? Next up could be 73. Maybe. But at first it's gonna take me out. Already broke the lows, so this trade is, man, I was hoping for a continuation. Yeah, I'm out. Yeah, I'm out officially. Dang it. Waiting for the next one, guys. Where can it go, actually? Is it gonna dump? Is it really wants to dump from here? Very strong. Yeah, I'm not adding more. I'm waiting. I'm gonna wait. There is a structure shift right now, though, so maybe not a clear one, but it's a shift. Yeah. Don't know where can this go. All the way down below the 700s, maybe? Not sure. All right. Do you ever get into a trade and immediately ready? Oh, yes, of course, all the time. What do you do? Get out or stem? Well, for example, on this one, when it goes against me immediately, when I put on the trade, I accepted my risk and I accepted my outcome for the trade. So try to make peace with it, you know. I'm gonna stay in and see where it goes. In many cases, it turned out good, but also it takes your stop out. But at least I know that it was a very bad idea to go with. So yeah, it's not always a good idea. That's for sure. I'm watching some levels at let me put this away from here. On NQ, also on the 5-minute. I like this low here, which repriced the new day opening gap. Well, partially, not perfectly, but I do like it. That could help price to gravitate down there, but this is actually a classic short by the book. Hard to say what to do here. Hard to say what to do. Very difficult for me to stay in. I have a mental battle. Everybody has the same battle. Trust me, everybody. And it's definitely very, very difficult to hold on to your analysis, hold on to your trade. It is difficult. It definitely is. So yeah, I know how it feels like. I know. And it's not good. I know. I wonder if these lows are how far. No, not that far. But for example, this trade was a very typical sweep. But where can it go? It should go at least down to 688. All right. Don't forget, guys, there's a giveaway. Go to the link, fill out the form. You can do some tasks, earn more points, have a bigger chance to win. Go check it out. All right, all right. Not much is going. We have this wick here. That's interesting. It's at 88. Not too far. All right. All right. I know, methodical man, I know. I know. How you doing? What's up? Celebrity in the house again. Here comes the applause for our celebrity, methodical man. How's it going? The giveaway is gonna be next Wednesday. I know it's a little bit far, but first I'm just testing out this new application. Yeah, it's not today. I'm gonna try to do weekly, maybe more. You need the cash now? You know what? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Need to go to play poker. I know. All right, so yeah. So weekly giveaways from now on, hopefully. This application is just a test. And fill it out. And that's how simple it is. I haven't decided which prop firm. It's not I think it's not going to be BULENOX. We're going to do TOPSTEP or MyFundedFutures or maybe Apex. Not sure. BULENOX is great too, but we did. Maybe if I'm going to pick a second winner, we're going to do BULENOX, but most likely it's going to be TOPSTEP, MyFundedFutures, 50K account. All right. All right. Now let's see. Do we have any other news happening? No other news. We only have the market open left. So that's it, guys. Fill out the form and push the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's do this. Let's do this. Guys, nothing really moving around as far as I can see. Not much. Not much is happening. We're going back to 700 now. Not sure about the rest. I don't know what ES is trying to do. ES is dropping. Can we end up in a bearish scenario? I don't know. Could be. Could be. I'm hoping for the 688 on this one. But otherwise nothing extra. So yeah. VWAP is good. Yeah. And also we have that swing low on NQ right here. I do like that. The new day opening gap is not completely rebalanced. And ES, for at least for now, it looks like it might want to close out that level down there. Not sure. Oh no. It's turning around. It's turning around. For now. If it turns around and goes higher, then we could be going for that 4-hour fair value gap up there. That could be a case. I'm not sure. Not sure about that. Okay. I put it to break even for now. I wanted to get back some of the losses, and we'll see what happens. Yeah, boring until open. So I put this to break even, took off 2 micros from it. It was 3 micros, and now I'm just hoping that it will drop down to 688. If it doesn't, it's fine. This is Quant Tower. Don't short, you're gonna make my longs fail. I'm break even, so I don't mind this trade. So if if it goes back up there, at least your longs are gonna come out good. So this is Quant Tower through Rhythmic. So yeah. Tom, if you have 800 of drawdown and the refill coming in 2 days, do you go heavy on contracts? Yes, I do. Yes, because if the rebill is coming in 2 days, if you're not having the account failed, they might go. It's gonna be left in a drawdown. So go all in. Seriously, I mean that's what I would do. If in 2 days you're gonna get rebuild, go heavy. Go heavy. Try to do it. If you fail, let it be. Let it rebuild. It's gonna be fine. At least it's gonna reset. So either way, I mean you're gonna get rebuild, but it's you're gonna make it back. And if you get lucky with the heavy contracts, you might be able to pull it back to a nice profit. And you know, with which prop? Yeah, which prop depends on which prop firm. Depends on which prop firm. Because my firm will give you a free reset, so no need to go all in with them. I mean, the free reset is included. I mean, I'm not sure if that's what you're saying, Methodical Man. The free reset is included. I mean, if the account fails, then they're going to reset you at the rebill. TOPSTEP does the same. If your account failed and you get the rebill, they're resetting your account. As far as I know. But right, but if it isn't failed, they still give you a free reset to. Oh yeah, of course. Yeah. Exactly. If it isn't failed, at MyFundedFutures, they still give you a free reset. That's right, within 30 days. Hi Tom, is it correct? 50k Apex PA trailing drawdown will stop. Yes, that's correct. That's correct. Methodical Man, is that correct? I think it's 2100. Let me check it. Apex trailing drawdown. Hold on. On the website of Apex, it says 50K 2500. That's the amount. I think 2100 is the MyFundedFutures locking. Oh, now I'm confused, man. 26, yeah, it stops at 50,100 once you reach. Okay, so there you go. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay, thank you, Methodical Man. Be careful of BULENOX rebuild. Oh yeah. Be careful with the BULENOX rebuild, guys, because only the first month is 90%. The second month and so forth are gonna be full price. So yes, a 50K account is gonna cost you like a lot. It's gonna cost you $175. So careful with that. Really. Be careful with that. All right, let's go. It's only 10 points. Should be going down, right? Or not. Or not. Well, 88. Maybe 20 points. Not sure. Now it's going back up again. What a price action, guys. What a price action. This can turn around here easily. Is it gonna go down or not? Can you repeat that you froze up? Oh, I froze up. Sorry. So it locks you in. Sorry. Yeah. So the BULENOX only gives you 90% for the first month. So be careful, because from the second month it's $175. So be careful with that, guys. Make sure to cancel the BULENOX account if you blown your first one and it's close to getting rebuilt, because the second month is going to be full price. Just saying. Hit OTE. Yeah, so far I'm still in it at break even. I was hoping for that level down there. It's a nice wick on the higher time frames, but might not go there. I took partials, so I'm okay. I might even going to, well, how far is that? 706. I might even going to trail it lower a little bit there. Okay. So now it's being trailed. What the hell? Connection lost. Connection lost. Awesome. That is awesome. No worries. I still have it here. I still have it, and fortunately it's still going my way. Full sending those EDF accounts open. Yeah. I passed them all, now slow crawling through lifetimes. Look at that. We're going, come on. Let's go 88, come on, let's go 88. Let's go, let's go. I'm gonna trail this down here, I don't care. Let's go. Are you kidding me? It missed with 1 tick. I closed it. I don't care. I closed it. Missed by 1 tick, and it did not took me out from the trade. But now I'm flat. No orders. All right, this was a nice trade. There was some connection issues. So anyway, this was a nice trade. I needed this trade. I really needed this trade. It was a nice short. To the tick. Didn't really go down there, but I don't care. I closed it manually. This was a good one. All right, so we have a giveaway. If anyone is new on the stream, there's a link in the pin message. Go check it out. It's up there. It's very simple. Email and name, and you can earn some points by completing some tasks. And we're gonna do weekly giveaways hopefully from now on. I'll try to aim for that. This first giveaway is gonna be MyFundedFutures or TOPSTEP most likely, and there's still some time, but you can enter. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Oh man. We are waiting. I will enter the giveaway, but I don't trust the guy in the picture. You know what? Looks shady. I know. I didn't find any other picture. I found another picture, but it was me and my fiance together holding hands and, you know, hugging each other. Maybe that would have been like a better solution. Maybe I would have got more sign-ups for the giveaway. But anyway, it is what it is. He's looking like a pro trader. Sorry, in MyFundedFutures, does it offer Quant Hour full license, or you select Rhythmic? You have to select Rhythmic, and you can download Quant Hour for free. You don't have to pay for a monthly fee for Quant Hour, and it's that simple. So there is an option to pay for Quant Hour for multiple connections, but you can trade for free through the Rhythmic connection, so it's free. It's in the price. You have to pay for the volume analysis tool. There you go. Oh, the volume. Didn't read the full sentence there. The problem is I have this icons, these emotes there, and it disturbs me to read normally the chat window. Sorry about that. Do most people do monthly choice in Apex for PA accounts or lifetime? Just as methodical man, I agree with him fully that I would always go, and I did, with the lifetime plan, because I don't want to be feeling stressful about the next upcoming month. I know it's not a huge amount of money, like $82 or $85 on Apex, I think, the monthly fee. But I don't want to feel like, oh man, next week they're just gonna pull the money from my debit card again. I don't want that. So I just pay the lifetime fee. It feels better for me. I know it's more expensive, but after 2 months, if you keep the account for 2 months, at least for 2 months, it's worth it. So I don't want to feel stress about the monthly fee, so I pay the lifetime. I agree with methodical man. So waiting for the market open, guys and gals. But nothing is happening so far. Still have some time. Long or short at open time? Good question. I would like to go short, to be honest. I'm going to tell you why. Because the new week opening gap, to me, if you look at the 1 hour, let's go to the 1 hour, boys and girls. Look at the 1 hour. Let me delete this so it's clean now. So look at the hourly new day opening gap. There is a small liquidity void on the hourly chart. I know it's not much, but there's a liquidity void. And I have to put back this stuff. I already put this here. If you put a fair value gap on the hourly chart and just pull this into the range, then this is a, how do they say it? How does ICT say it? It's this price range has not been rebalanced, which means I'd like price to come through here with a down close candle, come to 654. Anyway, at least go down to 659 and even lower. We have relative equal lows to the left, almost perfect, but I like a down close candle through the gap, and then we'll see what goes from there. Also, if you look at it, hold on, let me go back. Let me look at it closer. So this here on the 1 hour is a nice new day opening gap. I like to see this being taken. So that's why I think we should be continuing down. and we should be breaking through 687 like super fast. What I can do on level 1? Everything needed. Level 2 just shows more detail. Oh yeah, and if I take 1 tower, I'm able to use some indicators. If yes, how many? 2 indicators, 3. Yeah, only 3. What if I want more? Yeah, if you want more, then you have to pay for a monthly fee on Quant Tower. If you want to use more indicators, then you have to pay for a monthly fee. Yeah. I sent a 4 or 5 letter in this regards to some YouTube users without answer. Oh, well, Methodical Man is good in this. He's a computer scientist. He's a geek. I even don't know some of these informations. I knew that we can only use 2 indicators, but he knows this stuff. He knows. All right. Don't play around. Of course, why couldn't he play around? Look at this low. I do like that low at 67 too. I like to see this drop. Take out 87 finally. I love to see this take out 87. Man, that would be awesome. It's only 10 points. Well, 13 points down. Love to see that. Methodical Man, are you trading the market open? I mean the opening range? I guess you are. See, if I don't use this sort of firms, your knowledge is limited. But some sort of YouTube users who are in this type of business are not willing to give any answers, just online YouTube promotions. Yeah. I feel like that's me. Oh man, I have to update my channel with some new content. I already filmed some stuff, so I have to do editing. I'm so bad in editing. You know, better come at full send it. Yeah, full send. Full send. It's very tempting to enter a short and take out these equal lows, and there's some fair value gap still down there. But of course I'm not gonna do it. Of course I'm not going to do it. So let's wait and see. Good morning, Clarity. Good to see you. Getting ready for the open, guys. Seems like it's going for that low. I mean, I don't know. Should this one be taking that out? Hard to say. It's not far, but it's close. It's close, definitely close. But to full send it, it might want to go down, but it could be risky. Oh, there you go. Now it should take out the 87. It's so close, but if it just pops higher, makes a shift, then guys, it's it can be a huge bear trap. And no entries for now. That's the problem. It's only just scalping, maybe. Best case scenario. Now it's time for some shopping and cooking. Yeah. Thank you for dropping in, Jacques. Yeah, hopefully we will have some good decisions. Have a good one. Yeah, there's a daily gap, new day opening gap down there. I'm going pulled pork at the open. Well, we are thanking for Methodical Man. He is the one who knows it better. So look at this. Now it's going up again. That's why entering into this any kind of position, even if you just want to scalp it for 87, it's a little bit dangerous before the open. So don't do that. New day opening gap is still down there. I do like those lows. Let's wait for now. All right. Maybe I will get this TOPSTEP. Yeah, go for TOPSTEP. Yeah, have a nice day. You too. So guys, if you haven't entered already, check out the giveaway. We're gonna do giveaways every week. It's up there. Still have a lot of time to enter. It's fresh. Fresh giveaways. All right. Ta-ta. Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you, Jacques. We are going to the moon. Thanks for 8% up. You're welcome, Louis. You're welcome. There's a giveaway, Louis. Make sure to check it out too. You can win a 50k account every week. I'll try to do that. I'm not promising that I can do it every week, but that's the goal. But don't forget to register. It's in the pin message up there. All right. And maybe I'm gonna be doing a new TOPSTEP account too. Why not? Why not? But we're just waiting for the open now. Tell me if you're gonna do a TOPSTEP giveaway. Might as well give MyFundedFutures just what $1 more and cheaper to activate. I can do that, of course. I can do that. I'm gonna, you know what? I'm gonna let the winner decide. Should it be a TOPSTEP or a MyFundedFutures? You know. Of course, it doesn't matter. Yeah, I don't care. I mean, for me, it could be $55 to or 60 or whatever. I mean, the winner can decide. The winner can decide. All right, that's also a good deal. Maybe there's gonna be a second winner too. Now it's just one winner, but Romania is banned. Okay. The winner can decide, all right? And you know, the second winner, maybe I'm gonna do a secondary winner, but for being cost effective, I might gonna do an Apex for the second winner or a BULENOX. We'll see. Wow, look at this spike just before the open. What is happening? Yeah, activation fee is $100 cheaper on my, yeah, exactly. Exactly. The activation, I mean, I would suggest for you guys to stack up at least 1 or 2 accounts from MyFundedFutures until the end of this month, because the activation fee is going to stay with the account, so it's going to be a lifetime discount until you don't pass it. So for example, if you buy a 50k account for $50, you can pass it in 2 months if you can, or 3 months. The activation fee is still going to be $50, guys. It's still going to be $50. So I strongly advise you to pick up a starter account from MyFundedFutures, and it can stay with you. Even if you blow the account, when you get rebuilt, you get the same conditions with the free reset. So why not? Stack up with starter accounts. You won't regret it. I think it's a good. Of course, I know prop firms can be shut down and stuff like that. Blah blah blah. I know. I got DM messages since yesterday, but yeah. Wanna trade? Hey there. How's it going? How's it going? Look at this spike. We're going higher again. Not easy. Definitely not. What is happening here, guys? After you pass the Apex evaluation phase and you are funded, you should cancel manually. No, they are canceling it for you. You'll receive an email. They will cancel it automatically. No, oops, good question. I'm happy you asked it. They are going to cancel it for you. You receive an email. No problem. No problem. No worries. It's edging higher. It's definitely edging higher. Yes, also. Interesting. Could this be positioning in for a sell-off or... Oh, wow. Or could this be just a liquidity sweep? Now look at this. On the 15-minute, it's basically a classic short. Look at the 15-minute. We have a market structure shift here. Bearish market structure shift. And this is the fair value gap, which is also an order block. This is like almost a unicorn setup. The only problem is that we have the market open. Dupla verge. Again. What unicornish setup? This is a unicorn setup. Yeah, it's going high, that's for sure. But if there would be no market open, this would be the optimal entry to go short on the 15-minute. I'm still thinking that could this be a good opportunity to go short or not? Even with just one micro. How about that? Or is it gonna go up anyways? Looking good on ES2. NQ seems like wants to make higher. Market is about to open in less than 1 minute. Let's see. It's going. All right, guys. Let's see. Oh, market is open. Look at this. Edging higher. Probably trying to make a new high. Yeah, I think it will. It's very close to make a new high. It's very, very close. 15 points. to push it. 15 points, everyone. I have to check on ES. Sorry. What is ES doing on the 1 minute? ES not doing anything. NQ here on the 1 minute. This is the 1 minute NQ. Nothing special. Up there. Still not pushing. Is it gonna go through? Or is it gonna drop? ES is pushing again. High is at 54, 10 points away. It doesn't really want to do that. Not for now. Not for now. No. Just hovering there. ES is dropping a little bit weak. Wants to go down. NQ is still holding. TP, nice, $900. Congratulations. Applause. And now it's gonna push through the 54. No, not yet. Down to the 40s. Can't make it. Not enough strength. ES is dropping like crazy. What is happening? ES repriced the gap. NQ is still around this area. Maybe one more push. Who knows? It seems like it's getting tired. Seems like to me that it's getting tired. Okay. Buyers are stepping out on NQ. It seems like that it wants to drop, but not sure. Not sure where it can go. Trying once more NQ, maybe. Feels weak a little bit. Feels weak. Started to drop. Maybe it will go down to that new day opening gap range. ES is weak too. Maybe it can gain more strength, but for now it feels weak. Feels like ES is heavy. No one is pushing it. Almost like it wants to return back down. NQ is climbing up. Maybe one more push to the highs. I think it wants to do that. Is it gonna do it? That's the question. NQ trying, but this is bullish. Yeah, it looks bullish. Trying to fight through that high at 54. If it does, this can be a huge push to the upside if it can fight through. It went higher. Unfortunately, I have nothing. I have nothing. Do I have an orders? I have no orders. I have nothing on. NQ made a new high. ES failed to make a new high. I was watching NQ still. Look at this move. We were talking about this 4-hour buy side at 96, and it feels like it wants to go for it. What a crazy move, right? I have nothing on. I'm just watching closely. No fair value gap for me that is valid. I'm checking the ES if it might give me an entry. But no entry yet. Flash chaser. Yeah. It is. It is a teacup, or what it's called. I don't even know if that's the name for it. Classic or whatever. Should it be going higher? Yeah, 1 minute NQ. Yeah. It's 30 points by getting into that 4-hour gap. Is it gonna go in there? I don't know. Looks like it wants to go. But be careful. It looks like it wants to go into that gap. Oh yeah. Oops. It definitely looks like it wants to go. Maybe it's slowly going to grind up. But no entry for me. That's the problem. I have no entry model to go for it. Yes, repricing this gap. There's a market structure shift here. Could be going for the midnight level. Man, it's tough to decide. It's really tough to decide. If I look at the 5-minute, everything is pretty much bullish, but are we going to reach for it? I sure hope so. But only if I could have an entry. the way I see it, the buyers are just getting weak. All right, back to 63, 64 maybe, yeah. Could this be the next push? Up to 96. I think it can be. Maybe. Are we gonna reach for that? That 96. Waiting game, guys, waiting game. Let me know what you think. For now, no entry, no proper retracement to a fair value gap. This one could be left open. But gotta be patient here. $76. Yeah, looks like it could be pushing. Wait until we enter into the silver bullet hour. That would be interesting. All right, I think I'll grab a drink, a tea maybe. And I'll be watching this closer. Or should I drink a coffee with no sugar? No, a decaf is useless, basically. Drink palinka. Today is crazy, right? Yeah, egy pálinka jó lesne. Yeah. Yeah. A palinka is always good. Look at this, 75. I can't really decide if it wants to go, but this is typically the price action when, of course it can push it, but I'm gonna feel safer if I just wait for a structure shift to the opposite side. And we have relative equal lows down there. Just check the 5-minute chart. Look at this. I'm gonna draw a line here. relative equal lows right here. Oops. So right there. I might gonna wait for that. So if it spikes up, let it be. But if it wants to return to take those lows and even go down to the new day opening gap, I'll be here and I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting. I'll be ready. I use Elliott wave theory. It's a flat setup. Yeah, I heard about. Actually, I have a book. Now it's on my other shelf. I have a book about Elliott waves. No, it's not here. And it's actually an English book. I ordered it years ago from Amazon maybe or eBay. It's about Elliott waves. And I couldn't find that book right now. Yeah, it's on my other shelf. Hold on a second, I have to make a quick phone call. Alright, sorry about that. Just wanted to make a brief phone call. No one's available. Alright, alright. Didn't feel your lungs? Well, don't worry about it. It's actually a very slow grind up there, but should be getting into that 96 area to get into the 4-hour gap. What interests me right now is what's gonna happen after that. I have some good targets down there, and I'm more interested in those targets. I'm gonna have to grab a drink. I'll be right back, guys. All right. All right. So it just slightly pierced that level, and we might be seeing a turn. Who knows? But no structure yet, so and nothing to the left. Relative equal highs could be going back to the range, to the downside. I don't know. I had to drink a little bit of a real coffee. I needed that. All right. Are we gonna go down or not? Are we gonna go down or not? No, it's repricing. What about the optimal trade entry levels? Still okay. Still okay. Is it any truth that you don't have to pay the monthly fee after? Yeah, it's true, Fletcher. It's absolutely true. Yeah. If you pass the evaluation account, there is one activation fee, which you can get for a cheaper price right now if you use my link or code, whatever. But yes, there's a one-time activation fee and no more monthly fees on the account. That is true. That's true. Also, if you go with an Express account, the activation fee is included in the price. And if you pass the account, no more charges to pay. So that's all. I mean, no more, nothing to pay after that. Lifetime. Yeah, it's a good deal. That's why I'm promoting MyFundedFutures that much. I do think they have an awesome deal going on. Super awesome deal. Look at this. What is this drop? What is this a drop? It's at 91. Is it gonna go 91 maybe? Who knows? Limit at 91. Maybe it's gonna go. If this goes to 91 or to the 90s, below the 700s, that would be really interesting to see it go down there. It seems like it will. Look at this drop. To the 16. $91.50. Can this one drop? Or no? Or is it just a trap? Could be a trap too. I would buy that chart. Yeah, it looks good. Almost a unicorn. Yeah. Yeah. It might go into reprice higher, and then who knows. We have relative equal lows down there, but I'm not sure what it wants to do at this point. Watch retrace, slightly fib. Yeah. I'm definitely watching this. I wonder how far they want to take this. Or they want to go and retrace the whole movement, or they want to drop it down. I guess there was a shift. No, there wasn't. I thought there was on the 5-minute, but there wasn't. Yes, also looking like it wants to go down, but still no confirmation. It wants to reprice the gap higher on the 1-minute. Let me delete this line because it's not important anymore. I get out at golden zone. No reason to be greedy. Yeah. Or at least half my position. That's true. That's also a good idea. I'm just curious if they want to send it down to these relative equal lows, or they want to continue pushing. I mean the market or price or whatever we want to call it. Seems like it might retrace higher up to the 60s. A little bit heavy, it feels like it. Repricing the higher gap. Back to the range. Hard to determine at this point. Hard to say. Hard to say. It's really hard to say. Or it could be just sitting in this area. Well, we still have those lows. We still have the new day opening gap. But we have some good targets on the upside too. Relative equal highs. Nobody really knows. Again, we're stuck. Going sideways a little bit. A little bit sideways action here. I don't know. Could be a trap. To lure in some sellers. The more I watch it, the more I don't understand what is going on. Going sideways, repricing higher. There you go. And now we have no idea. Both sides are repositioned. I mean, sorry, repriced. And now it's seems like it wants to go bullish. Maybe back to the 4-hour gap. Maybe that's the ultimate goal. This is a bullish move. Liquidity swept. If that's the case, then this should be or could be heading higher to the 90s again. Probably still will rise some. Yeah, looks bullish. They might want to take that gap on the 4-hour, maybe, which is up there above 96. Looks like it, but at this point, I don't know. Back to 87 maybe, 90s. The bodies of the candles are still up there to be touched or pushed. If this one is a push, then yeah, could be. But it can go chop side action. The 4-hour is close, of course. It's very close to be taken on the upside. There's definitely more liquidity, but no idea. Then it would need more push. Have to get through the 70s. It's not doing it yet. Could be repricing lower below the 60s on the 1 minute. It's really hard to tell. Pushing again. It's having a bit of a hard time. To go with that level. And now it could be turning to the downside again. think it does, right? Unpredictable. There you go. Repricing that 1 minute gap. Is that enough for the push? Not sure. Not sure about that. But we still have those equal lows down at 88. Or it could be dropping from here. It's showing some weakness. Showing some weakness there. So it can go down to that 91-ish level. $93, $94 maybe. All depends. The new day opening gap is down there still. It's actually not that far. Stuck in the middle. ES also stuck in the middle. Pretty much nothing going on. I don't know. On the 15-minute, it looked like a short, but if it goes down to take out those lows at 91, that would be an interesting move. We still have the 93s down there and the gap to be repriced. So no information. about what's gonna happen here. Liquidity is below 700. Could be repricing at 727 right now. And I don't know about the rest. If this is a continuation or not. Going back up. It's really hard to tell, guys. Chop City, for sure. Right in the middle. For now, just gonna wait. Equal lows down there. And the 4-hour gap is up there. Repricing back up. I don't know. I really can't decide. I like these lows, but if the sell-off is not starting here, then there's not much to do. Chop City, guys. Chop City. Huge chop city. Nothing to do. I almost fell asleep. Me too, guys. I mean, it was like, it's so boring. I was watching how it's printing. Yeah, 2024. It's 2024. It's I mean, I don't know what to make of this, really. I wanted to see the 87 break, by the way, and then first send it down lower. But it's so boring. Nothing is moving, guys. Nothing. And this is the silver bullet session. Nothing is moving. I wish I could tell you otherwise, but anyway. Anyway, until we're waiting, don't forget to subscribe to the giveaway. You can find the message up there in the pinned message in the chat. It's very simple. 50k account every week from now, hopefully. And just fill out your name and email. It's a brand new form. I've never used it before, but it's specifically for giveaways. There's some tasks you can do once you register and you earn points, so you will have a higher chance to win. Make sure to register, and yeah, we're gonna do a winner hopefully every week. All right, so check it out. It's very simple. It's gonna be TOPSTEP or MyFundedFutures giveaway. All right. Oh yeah, it's nothing moves. Nothing really. That's why this is so frustrating. ES is also stuck. That's why we're just gonna wait for now. Try to stretch this out and see if there was even a trend line break or something. Not that I'm trading trend lines, but I want to see if there's something. There you go. Now we have a move. So if it breaks higher, we could be seeing Nasdaq going back up to the 96. I hope it does. I mean, I'm not saying I hope, sorry. But if it does, then at least we could see some moves. At least we know the direction. I have no orders. Nothing. Today was again a little bit of a messy day for me. Took 2 stop losses in the London session. Now I just don't know what to do with this. We have relative equal lows at 12. That should be taken out. Hopefully. If not, then we're just going to continue higher anyways. Just can't get a break. Come on, everyone. What is going on? Why is it not moving? Super boring AM session. Okay, now it might be dropping. Are we gonna get it? Is it gonna take out that relative equal lows maybe? Or not? Not yet. I thought we're gonna see a movement, but no. False alarm. False alarm. It's just playing around here. What are you thinking about, guys? Any trades? Any opinions? I would love to listen. Some other opinions too about this beautiful market. We're stuck. I mean, look at the 1 minute chart. It's just a barcode chart. Oh yeah, Trader G. You know, I know that's the good answer, but still, it's such a disappointing answer, right? Oh man, I should be out there taking a walk and making vlog because I do love trading. Don't get me wrong, I love this. I just love trading, but the London session did almost the same. Now New York is doing it. Maybe the PM session will bring something. Got tore up yesterday trying to trade. Oh, Dark Cloud, come on. By the way, I want to thank you all for being here, watching the stream. It means a lot. If you can, push the like button. Thank you so much. But really, it means a lot to me. I'm also, I mean, of course I'm doing it for the full-time job and everything, but I'm also doing it for not being alone, because trading is super lonely. So yeah, trading is super lonely, and I have nobody to talk about trading, not around me in my personal life. I mean, nobody knows anything about trading, and when I start to talk about trading, everybody thinks I'm an idiot, which I am, but in a good way. No, I'm the one who's thanking you guys. And I want to sincerely thank you if any one of you guys were using my code and link, because I'm ashamed to admit, but I have not taken payouts since February. Yeah. Anyway, we'll get there. We'll build it. We'll make it. I know. Same here. Yeah. When I started to talk about trading around friends and people I know, I see them, I see on their faces, I see in their eyes that, yeah, they listen to me, but they don't care. And I see that. So as soon as I see their faces when I talk about anything in trading, and I see that expression like, yeah, you know, the expression like, yeah, but I don't know what the hell you're talking about, I stop. Like, you know what? Forget it. I skip the topic. All right. Are we gonna go down here? Are we gonna go down? Not yet. Okay. I'm trying to see if this one wants to go lower and maybe take out those equal lows. But so far, no idea. Well, at least now it did. But still far away. So with my stop losses, I'm still in drawdown for the day. I don't know what the heck should I do. No trades. No direction. Yeah. I still say that we have the equal lows at 88. But today's market condition overall with the London session, I mean, look at the London session here. Well, look at this. Terrible. And maybe here there was something to be fair. So could have traded this one. Yeah, I traded this one actually. Sorry, I traded this one. Sorry, I totally forgot that I had a win. So I traded this. I totally forgot. I had a good trade. But the London session was crazy. And since the market open, it's just so bad. Guys, this is... I'm gonna go out and... You know what I like to do on days like this? I like to go out and drive. Take the car and drive around the city. Just drive, you know. Maybe stop, wash the car, drive a little bit, listen to some radio, music, whatever. Drive around. I don't know how are you guys with it, but when I drive, it's calm. It's relaxing me actually. When I just go out to drive, it's actually relaxing me without no purpose. Just take the road, you know, go wherever around the city or somewhere. Most likely around the city, because inside the city there is rush hour, but around the city, take the road, drive around, whatever. I like to do that. Yeah, I bought another car. So before anybody thinks that I have the M8 BMW, which is my dream car, I bought a super cheap car because I don't have that kind of money yet. But yeah, I bought another car because the previous one was, the engine was totally damaged, and the mechanic told me it would be maybe cheaper to buy another car. And so he bought the car from me because he's a mechanic, he can repair it for himself. He said that car will be good for his wife, and so he gave me some, I say a little bit of a fair money, better money than if I put the car into the junkyard. So I bought another one, but it's also an old car. I bought an old car, so windows down and music on blast. It's like therapy, exactly, Prometheus. So I bought a very, I'm in an old car. I bought it for like, guess what? I bought it for like $1,600. Actually, $1,700. I bought a car, a 20-year-old car. I bought for $1,700. Hey, but it's a good one. It takes me from point A to B, you know, because I'm saving up money. If you ask why did you buy the cheap car, because I'm saving up money, and all I need this car for is to take me from point A to point B. That's all I wanted. Nothing extra. I did the oil change and fixed some minor stuff on it, and that's it. I just wanted to take me from point A to B. So just a cheap one. Just a cheap one. I need to save money. But, you know, look at this. Now we're going there. It's at almost, it spiked down to 97. The equal lows are at 88. Should I continue to go with it? I'm not. I'm not going to. I don't wanna. But it will go. It's so close. So close to that level, guys. It's so close. Wow. I know I'm gonna regret it by not entering. It's calling me to enter to a short to take out these lows, but I'm not gonna do that. I know I'm going to regret that, but actually, you know what? No. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I can't. I can't. I just can't. I don't like this kind of market conditions. This is typically when they can manipulate, they can just spike it all up. You know, I don't want to. And the sun is shining. How awesome. Guys, if you haven't already, please check out the giveaway in the pinned message. Just fill out the form, do some tasks if you want to increase your chances of winning. And we're gonna pick a winner for a 50K evaluation account from TOPSTEP or MyFundedFutures. The winner can choose. All right. All right. The winner can choose. Calling today. Yeah, me too. I think so. Yeah, I'm gonna take a drive as well. I mean, I'm definitely gonna take a drive, guys. I'm calling it a day 2. Prometheus and Mesopeti, Dark Cloud, Wendley, George, Fletcher, everyone else who I missed. Everyone. Thank you so much for being here, Crypto Panda. Anyway, everyone, thank you so much. I'm going to be back tomorrow in the London session. As usually, this is a crap market. I don't want to waste my time here. I love the trade, but not under these conditions. Have a good evening, guys, and good morning. See you tomorrow, everyone, and love you all. Get to the giveaway, and if you want to support, you know, just click on my links and grab the codes. Thanks again, guys. It wasn't such a superb price action, but thanks for staying here with me. All right. So see you guys tomorrow, London session. Bye, everyone.